Good evening, YouTube, and welcome to the Bottom Line Tech Talk. Right now, I'm just going to give you a quick sound demonstration of I've lubed a majority of my switches. I've got the Kailh Silver Speed Switches in here. I've lubed this half of them and lubed these here, but I haven't lubed this part here. So I just thought I'd give you a little sound test. Lubed, not lubed. I feel like I need to check that one. Maybe lube a different one and put it there. Just so you know, if you were to order the white edition of this board, which is the Glorious PC GMMK white edition, these do come with lubed stabs. The stabs here are lubed. They do come that way. The switches do not. Now, the switches that come with it are these. These are Gateron Browns. All right, well, that's it for tonight. I'm going to go hit the bed. Thanks for coming, and y'all have a good evening.